Hello foodies, please subscribe to our channel Food Fam and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video.
Hello fam, today we are going to make Nutella at home. You will need almonds, cocoa powder, sugar and oil and vanilla essence. We will add almonds into a grinder and grind it very well. You can use hazelnut to get the perfect taste of Nutella, but also you can substitute it with almonds. Grind it well until it becomes sticky and the almonds start releasing its oil. Now add half a cup of oil and grind it well. This is how it should look. Add half a cup of sugar and 2/4 cup of cocoa powder. Also add in the extract. Our Nutella is ready. Please do like and share. Also do subscribe to our channel and comment down below. And thank you so much for watching.